Model, 63-plate Volkswagen Caddy C20 1.6 TDI 102 PS Blue Motion Tech Startline noisy gearbox needs repairing. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 301,491. MOT, the 24th of November 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 102 PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Still drives, but the gearbox is noisy in all of the gears and jumps out of 4th gear, so will need the gearbox repairing or replacing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.